getting ready for those holiday parties. These are a 4-pack of the 54 by 108 inch disposable tablecloths. I love the Christmas buffalo check pattern in red and black. Has the beautiful snowflakes on it. So festive. I like that it instantly is going to make my tables feel pulled together right out of the package. The material is very lightweight, but feels sturdy enough for my party or picnics or holiday setups without looking, cheap or chintzy. I like that the plastic is going to easily clean up. Spills, frosting, drinks is going to wipe right off. Makes my hosting life that much easier. I like the print. It is bold and consistent. It definitely does not look like it's changed on either one of each of these 4. And I like that these are a cozy holiday lumberjack style vibe. And each cloth, again, is 54 by 108. Standard 9-foot table is what I'm going to use this for. Final verdict, would I buy again? Yes, I would. Simple, affordable. This will create a finished look for my party. Easy to use, easy to clean, and the pattern will look great in my photos. So if you want a quick decor that looks intentional and saves you time on cleaning up, I would absolutely grab a set of this.